Hello. Oh,
Hello, I am calling from Kerala.
yes.
I have some doubts.
Yes.
Yes, in regard to the one
One cure
cure
for all
for all
disease.
diseases.
Yes. Yes. Please.
Uh, I have been diagnosed 1 year ago. Kidney CKD.
Sorry.
CKD, yes, chronic kidney disease
Okay.
due to diabetes. I have been diabetic for the last 18 years.
Okay.
And was on insulin for the last 10 years.
Okay.
Now, in the last year, I have been diagnosed, and now my creatinine level has become progressively increased to 8.
Okay.
And the allopathy doctor, my nephrologist, is suggesting that I should start dialysis by the next month.
Okay. Next one. This is.
I am asking, is there a cure in your program?
See, I don't have. I don't have testimonials. I don't have people who have reported, but there is one case only which we have done. So I'll give you the details of that case. In that case, the patient age was 68, and his creatinine was also 8.5 or so, and he had swelling as well.
I have some swelling, but now it has been already cured.
So what I was saying is that, this person was 68 years of age, and his BP was also high. He was taking BP medicine also, and he had swelling also in his legs. And
Yes.
by following this system, and we stopped one of the medicine, his blood pressure used to shoot up to 190, 195, and lower one used to be around 90 or so, 90 or 100. And after following this for a week or so, his swelling from legs had gone.
Yes.
The only issue was that he was feeling very sleepy, and
Yes.
the swelling had completely gone, and he did not get his creatinine checked again. In spite of repeated reminders, he checked it almost after a month or so. And by that time, he had stopped following this. And second thing which he did was that he had started the medicines also again. And the swelling also came back. And after the swelling had come back, he checked his creatinine, it was 10 something. And his doctor said it is
Yes.
because he had discontinued the medicine. Now, when the creatinine is going up, just a minute. Basically, when the kidney function is deteriorating, the swelling will increase. And
Yes.
during the course of time when he was following this, his swelling had disappeared. So, what I could conclude is that it was improving. And after
Yes.
he stopped doing it, and after he stopped following it, and he started medicine also, it increased. So now you have to conclude from that. Second information that I can give you is that about 20 years back, I had kidney stones 3 times in 4 years.
Yes. Yes.
And since then, not exactly since then, after that, for about 6 months or so, I followed the guidelines. I increased my water intake and all that. Or you can say after 2 years of that incidence of kidney stones, I started following hydration dehydration in some form or the other. And till date, I have no kidney stones, I have no burning, I have no issues in urination or anything. And my creatinine is 0.67, 0.65 or 0.75 between these. I had done only 2 tests. Once it was 0.67 and once it was 0.75. And if I remember correctly, 20 years back it was 1 point something. So my kidney function has not deteriorated if you look at the creatinine only. And so if you consider these two things, then you have to decide. And what is your age?
My age is 58.
And you are not hypertensive. You don't have blood pressure issues.
Actually, I didn't have blood pressure. They said that the CKD is due to high blood pressure and diabetes. And once I started BP medicines 1 year back, I am feeling very tired, and also in some cases my blood pressure goes down in the range of 60 to 80, and I feel I cannot even walk.
No,
And I
no.
stopped the BP medicine. Even it is in the order of 85 to 85 bar 160 maximum. It is not
See,
hypertensive, I think.
I think the BP medicines that you had taken, that could have caused more problem, because this is the BP medicines which cause the kidney failure and not the blood pressure or diabetes. See,
Uh,
your kidney is also made of tissues,
yes,
and they also need supply of blood to remain healthy.
yes, yes,
And
yes,
when
yes.
the your sugar is going up or blood pressure is going up, there is a difficulty in supplying the blood to the vital organs. That is why the blood pressure starts shooting up. And if you lower the blood pressure,
I have already seen all your videos
okay,
and
okay.
your writings in the Quora. I know all these things, but what is annoying me is that my skin is sagging. My muscles are gone.
Yeah,
It is becoming more and more thin.
because of that thing only.
But
That
I have been
just a minute,
80
just a minute.
kg.
Sorry.
I have been 82 kg last year. Now I am only 63.
And what is your
That
height?
means 20. I have some cataract problem that was operated.
No, what is your
Surgery
height?
was done.
Height.
172.
62 weight is not troublesome so far, and you have lost weight. That is a concern, definitely, but it is not a major concern right now. Right now is like you
But
are
it
taking.
is continuously decreasing. Weight is continuously
Yes, yes,
decreasing.
yes. Yeah. What is the blood sugar level you are maintaining? You should maintain a blood sugar level of 250 or so.
No, blood sugar is now 149 in the fasting. In many days I am checking this using the strip, and it is only 149, 150, 160 maximum fasting
And
blood sugar.
what is PP sugar?
And I am taking BP.
Yes.
BP is only
PP. After food, what is the sugar level?
after food 225, 250. That is range
Okay,
maximum.
okay. And what is the lowest you are getting fasting and PP?
But
What is the lowest readings which you get?
lowest it becomes 100 or 96 or something at some days. I am
See,
strictly
I would suggest you maintain slightly higher blood sugar level so that you get more energy, and do the walk and rest also very regularly. Every hour you should walk for 5 minutes.
Can you give me guidance? Walk and rest rules, I know that in 5 minutes I should walk inside the home and rest for 15 minutes.
Yes, yes.
And that it continuously I can do. But
Yes.
what I am considering is how can I, doctors, nephrologist says that I should not drink more than 1 liter water in one day. In such
See,
case,
you don't need. That is what we like. I have another patient who is on dialysis for last 8-9 years, and the
yes,
problem with the patients is that when the restrictions are put and they feel thirsty, then they find it difficult to manage. But if you plan your fluids with the meals only, and besides meals you don't take any fluids, there will be a lot of saliva, and you will not find it difficult at all to restrict your fluid intake to 1 liter. So I would suggest
yes.
rather at your age, if your activity level is not very high, you should drink half a liter of fluid only for a day, and next day you can make it 1.5 liters. or for continuously
Yes.
2-3 days, you can make it about 600 ml, not even 1 liter. And do the walk and
Yes.
rest regularly. Doing this may force another weight loss of 2-3 kg, but that is okay because the major concern right now is the kidneys thing.
I think this weight loss is due to the water drainage. Fluid
Not
is,
exactly.
there is no fluid.
No, exactly. Your this thing is also going down. No? Your muscle loss is there because the nutrition is not getting supplied to the blood, and your protein might be going down, something like that.
I should therefore walk on the stool. I should do walk on the stool so
Yes,
that the nutrients are reaching all the portions of the body.
Yes, walk and rest will help, and even drinking water with the meals will also help. You should consider drinking about 150 ml water with each meal. So, keeping your total fluid intake in the day to about 500 ml only. And once in 2-3 days, you should increase it to 1.5 liters or 1.8 liters, not more than that.
Okay. After 3 days, I should take 1 day 1.5 liter. Isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
Yes. I shall try.
And don't do walk and rest excessively. Don't do walk and rest excessively. Limit it to about 10 to 15 times in a day only. Especially in the first 15 days. Don't do too much of walking.
I should do only once in 15 days.
No. Walk and rest should be limited to 10 to 15 times in a day, not more than that.
Okay. Maximum 15 times per day.
Yes, maximum. And you should not feel tired. When you're feeling tired, you can take slightly more rest.
Okay.
Thank you.
I shall try and report after some days.
Pardon?
After doing this, I will report the changes to you, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.